Across the vast, sun-scorched plains of Africa, life evolves in a delicate, interconnected dance. Not far away, the Topi antelope, one of Africa's fastest runners, is on the move. They are ecological pioneers, often traveling to new areas to promote grassland recovery. During the dry season, this species can travel 3 miles a day just to find precious water sources. The topi is also known for being a very curious animal about its environment. Instead of fleeing, they sometimes stop to observe, a habit that is both interesting and risky. Though they may look somewhat clumsy, they can maintain a speed of 55 miles per hour over long distances. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, but also the most vulnerable. The evolutionary history of the cheetah began millions of years ago. They chose an evolutionary path based on pure speed and precision, rather than muscular strength. While females are often solitary, males tend to form coalitions. The bond between brothers helps them increase their hunting success and protect their territory. When prey comes into sight, the cheetah's spine flexes like a spring, ready to explode. It takes only 3 seconds for it to accelerate from a standstill to nearly 60 miles per hour. Every stride is an explosion of energy. The lungs expand to their maximum capacity to supply oxygen to the body. The giant heart pumps blood continuously at a maximum rate to sustain the high-speed race. Even while panting, it must eat quickly to avoid having its prize stolen by other species. The early years of a cheetah's life are always fraught with countless risks and dangers. The mother gives birth in well-hidden dens to avoid the prying eyes of enemies. Newborn cubs are very weak and easily become targets for other predators on the savanna. The mortality rate of cheetah cubs can be as high as 90% due to lions, hyenas, or even snakes. They are only truly safe when they are old enough to follow their mother and learn practical hunting skills.
Despite being at the top of the food chain, their life is never easy.
The role of the cheetah is to regulate prey populations, maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. By hunting weak individuals, they help preserve the health gene pool of herbivore species. Now, in addition to natural predators, they also face pressure from humans. According to the IUCN, at the end of 2024, there were only about 6,517 adult cheetahs left globally. In the sky of the Miombo woodlands, a giant bird shadow glides in silence. The lappet-faced vulture appears like a guardian at the boundary between life and death.
It is the only remaining representative of the ancient genus Torgos in the Accipitridae family.
Over millions of years, it has achieved perfect adaptation to the most extreme environments. Though silent in flight, the lappet-faced vulture displays a majestic presence when it lands on the ground. A small antelope can be cleaned up by it in less than 20 minutes. In the presence of this king of scavengers, hyenas and jackals often proactively retreat. Its appearance is very distinctive, with dark plumage contrasting with a bare, bright pink head. The featherless head helps it maintain hygiene and get disinfected under the sun when in the natural environment. Unlike other vulture species, This one often has a habit of living independently or in pairs.
They maintain a strong monogamous relationship and build nests together on tall trees.
Each breeding season, they lay and incubate only a single egg for about 55 days.
A young vulture takes up to 125 days to be able to fly and needs 6 years to fully mature.
The California condor, once on the brink of extinction, now scavenges the arid landscape, a vital part of this ecosystem. They can hunt small animals or attack flamingo nests to find food. This flexibility is the key that helps them survive through the lean, dry seasons. Contrary to popular belief, vultures find food by sight rather than smell. From an altitude of over 3,000 feet, its sharp eyes can detect the smallest signs of death. The quick cleanup of carcasses helps prevent the outbreak of various disease-causing bacteria. The eastern Miombo is the land of giants, and the Maasai giraffe is a case in point. With a height of up to 18 feet, it is the tallest land animal today. Its 24-pound heart works tirelessly to pump blood to nourish this massive body. The maple leaf-shaped patterns on its coat are its most characteristic identifying feature. Males often engage in necking to compete for mating rights and establish status. These clashes cause the ossicones on the males' heads to often become bald over time. Maasai giraffes live in flexible groups, mainly consisting of females and their young.
They maintain a strong monogamous relationship and build nests together on tall trees.
This habit helps them stay on high alert for lions and hyenas. Eating leaves from high up helps them regulate the tree canopy, creating living space for lower-dwelling species. Across the sun-scorched plains of Africa, life evolves in a delicate equilibrium. And at the heart of this arduous struggle for survival, there is a powerful figure. The lioness, an emblem of tenacity, strategy, and teamwork. Unlike the males, who often play a role of protection and procreation, it is the females who are the core of the pride's hunting prowess. Each lioness possesses a body built for power and agility.
Weighing around 265 pounds, they can reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour.
And coordinate their hunts through subtle, non-verbal cues. Typically, lionesses stay together for life, often as sisters, mothers, and grandmothers. As the sun dips below the horizon, the lionesses begin their nightly patrol across the golden savanna. The average lifespan of a lion in the wild is just 10 to 14 years, not long compared to other predators. Environmental pressures, territorial conflicts, injuries from the hunt, and competition from outsider males make survival a precarious venture. Yet, in this brief time, a lioness matures quickly, reaching her prime at around 6 years old. When her strength and experience are at their peak. What makes lionesses such supreme hunters is their ability to bring down prey many times their own size. They rely not just on size or strength, but on precise cooperation. A clear division of roles, and an incredible patience for the ambush. The savannah is a land of constant change, where every day is a test of survival. The cycle of life continues, driven by the relentless rhythm of the seasons. They rely not just on size or strength, but on precise cooperation. The lioness remains a symbol of the untamed spirit of Africa, a testament to the enduring power of life in the wild. As the sun sets, the savanna prepares for another night of challenge. And the lioness, ever vigilant, watches over her pride. The cycle of survival never ends. Every night brings new threats and opportunities. The lioness leads her pride with unwavering determination. A true icon of the African wilderness. Her legacy is written in the stories of the savanna. The lioness, a symbol of strength and resilience. In the heart of Africa, her story is the story of the land. A story of survival, of courage, and of the enduring power of nature. The lioness, an inspiration for all who witness her grace and power. Her spirit will always roam the plains of Africa. A timeless symbol of the wild. The lioness, a legend of the savanna. Her legacy will live on as long as the savanna endures. The lioness, a true queen of the wild. A symbol of the untamed spirit of Africa. The lioness, an inspiration for all. Her spirit will always roam the plains. A timeless symbol of the wild. The lioness, a legend of the savanna. Her legacy will live on. The lioness, a true queen of the wild. A symbol of the untamed spirit of Africa. Her story is the story of the land. The lioness, an inspiration for all. Her spirit will always roam the plains. A timeless symbol of the wild. The lioness, a legend of the savanna. Her legacy will live on. The lioness, a true queen of the wild. A symbol of the untamed spirit of Africa. Her story is the story of the land. The lioness, an inspiration for all. Her spirit will always roam the plains. A timeless symbol of the wild. The lioness, a legend of the savannah. Her legacy will live on. The lioness, a true queen of the wild. A timeless symbol of the wild. Her story is the story of the land. The lioness, an inspiration for all. Her spirit will always roam the plains. A timeless symbol of the wild. The lioness, a legend of the savannah. Her legacy will live on. Her spirit will always roam the plains. A symbol of the untamed spirit of Africa.